Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. In this video, I'll be showing you how to completely wipe your computer and reinstall Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's important to note that when securely erasing your SSD using this method, all operating system data, user data, and any existing content on your SSD will be permanently deleted. Additionally, this process will eliminate partitions, making it impossible to recover them along with your personal data in the future. So, please keep in mind that before proceeding with any secure erase process, make sure to back up any important data on the SSD, as this process will erase all the data on the drive. Another crucial point to keep in mind is to avoid using any HDD wipe program for your SSD. Using such programs is a common cause of SSD failures. Instead, opt for the secure erase program provided by the manufacturer, specially designed for their SSD drives. For example, Samsung Magician is Starload for Samsung SSD drives, Seagate C-Tools is recommended for Seagate SSD drives, and Western Digital SSD Dashboard for WD's SSD drives. Stick to these manufacturer-provided tools to ensure a secure and reliable process. However, it is highly recommended that erase your SSD by using SSD manufacturer offered program. Here, I'll be showing you by erasing my Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD. So here, I'll be using Samsung Magician program. And you will need a USB drive to create a bootable USB drive to perform secure erase. And make sure your USB drive is completely empty, as it will be formatted completely. After inserting your USB flash drive to your computer's USB port, launch your SSD management program. In the program interface, select the SSD that you want to securely erase. The software will display information about your selected drives. Look for an option in the program interface related to secure erase or data security. The exact wording may vary depending on the version of the software. Now, select your USB drive. You may need to choose the boot mode, BIOS or UEFI, to create a bootable USB drive according to your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. For example, here I will be selecting UEFI BIOS option according to my computer's current BIOS mode UEFI. After that, click on Start and read the warning message about your USB drive as it will be formatted. Once you confirm, click OK. Please keep patience, this might take some time. Okay, as you can see, our bootable USB drive was created successfully. Okay, let me show you from the Windows Explorer. Okay, as you can see, here it is. However, now insert the bootable USB drive into a USB port on your computer and restart it. And make sure to boot your computer from the USB drive. We need to change the boot order in the BIOS or UEFI settings. Now I'll be set it as the primary boot priority order to boot from that. Now keep patience, it will take you to Samsung SSD Secure Erase program. Once the computer boots from the USB drive, you will see a Samsung Secure Erase utility. Now take some time to get familiar with its user interface. Alright, now read this disclaimer and warning message very carefully. If you agree, then type Y for yes and press enter. Now select the SSD you want to securely erase by using disk number. My Samsung disk number is 1. So I'll be type 1 and press enter. Now confirm the action by typing Y and press enter, as the secure erasing will delete all the data on the selected drive. Well, as you can see, the secure erase is in progress. Please wait for the process to complete. Okay, once the secure erase process is finished, just press enter or any key to exit from this program and remove the USB drive and reboot your computer. You can then reinstall the operating system or restore data from a backup. After rebooting, now let me show you by initializing the SSD from Windows Disk Management. And don't forget to make your SSD online if it's offline. Now select your preferred partition, GPT or MBR, just like a new drive, and click OK. Okay, now you can create a primary partition to explore your SSD from File Explorer. Okay, as you can see here it is. However, here I'll be showing you by migrating the Windows from HDD to SSD using Hasleo Backup Suite. You can follow the screen instructions to migrate your Windows from HDD to SSD. Also, here's a detailed tutorial on OS migration using Hasleo Backup Suite. Also, the tutorial link is given in the description below. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.